Now is a time where we get to practice, where we go into the silence, close our eyes, and become still. This is a time of meditation. It's a big word, but really it just means going within. We turn off everything that's going on outside of us, all the noise, all the news, all the people, all the things, all the social media. We turn it all off. If it's helpful to put your hand over your heart and just connect. It's just a slowing down. It's just telling the brain and the body, hey, good job. We've got it. Take a break. And as we go deeper into the silence, everything starts to slow down. Sometimes it's helpful just to imagine this white light that's coming down. And just surrounding us. And just knowing that we can be held. Knowing that we are held. And use your feelings. Imagine what it's like to be held by the hands of God. With no shame, no blame, no judgment, no guilt. You are worthy to be held by God. Right here and right now. Let that sink in. Let that feeling, let that love become real for you. Yes, God, I am worthy. And I am ready to receive your love. And it's in the silence that our prayer is, I want a heart to forgive. I really do, God. I want to see things through your eyes. I really do want to understand. Teach me. Show me. Even when it's hard, God. Even when I look outside and I'm so hurt. I'm so frustrated by what's going on. Let me just remember that you're here. Even when I don't understand it. Let me know that there's something here. And let me know that no matter what, I can offer love. I can offer light. Instead of hate, instead of anger or rage, I don't want that anymore, God. I want peace. I want peace. I want peace. So I set this at the table. I surrender. Have with me, do with me, whatever needs to be done. I surrender. And I let this go into your loving hands. And while I'm here, God, I just want to send out my love to my friends, to my family, to all the things that are in my heart. Thank you, God. Thank you, God.